The following is an urgent warning from the National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in the San Francisco Bay Area has issued a special marine warning for San Francisco Bay south of the Bay Bridge until 4:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. At 4:06 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 9 nautical miles east of Pillar Point, moving northeast at 30 knots. Hazard: waterspouts, wind gusts, in excess of 50 knots and small hail. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazard disease. Boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Thunderstorms can produce sudden waterspouts. Waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous disease. Seek safe harbor immediately.
Olin!